Good morning. I'm outside in my yard just checking out things. And this is a gardening quick tip. One thing you will learn about loofah is that they always show out in the end. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you're growing loofah, you can't plant them until it's 50 degrees outside at least. So I planted these a little late, a little in early July. It's stayed over 50 degrees, and it takes time for them to grow. And at first only 1 or 2 loofahs were growing, but now, oh, here's another one. They're growing. 7. Loofahs show out late in the year. That is a quick gardening tip for today.